should grab a snack really quick. First pit stop.
Oh, my bag's right there. I got the best chips ever. I thought you did have chips.
This is how far we are.
I thought I put that bag in.
Hour and 20 minutes.
I'll fight Kevin for you.
Catch you when we get there.
For no reason.
Here we are at the hot springs. The view is amazing. Look at that. I just got that.
No, we're on it. It's a volcano. Like, it's like volcanic rock.
What up guys, today is day 1 of snowboarding. Currently this is my outfit. I have this purple beanie with this purple face cover and then a white crop jacket with black long sleeve and black snow pants. This is the room, this is the view from my room. Super cute. We are heading out right now. So let's get going. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einsteins. Hello? Climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Say hello. Off to the races.
Yeah, let's go.
Day 1. Let's go. Took us a little bit longer. We made it. All the cars parked. We are at the main lodge, picking up our rentals. You excited? Woohoo! Everybody say hi! Hello! Woo! Currently buying lift tickets.
I know, yeah, completely.
We got stuck at the top of the mountain in a blizzard.
It was nuts. I'll do it again though.
No, we would not. Here we are. No idea where we are.
We're still waiting for Kev.
We're alive!
We legit got stuck in a blizzard where you cannot see 2 seconds in front of you. 2 feet in front of you. No, like this is some crazy stuff. Crazy
we
stuff.
rode down, not the correct way, because he said it would take too long to put on our board.
I literally sit down on my butt. I will insert clips.
I was on my stomach.
Yep. Super fun. We're about to strap in and get down.
Though.
Hey, get a picture of my boys.
Okay guys, we made it to chair 13. We're waiting for Kevin. We're gonna take this lift right here to chair 12 and we're gonna go down the mountain to the main lodge. Woo! Not me slipping. This is how today has gone. Horrible.
Everybody ready for day 2? Day 2! Let's dive in! No!
Going on day 2. Hopefully we don't get stuck on a mountain today. Wow, look at this. We got here 5 minutes ago. It was completely clear. Now, looks like there is a blizzard once again. Like the weather is crazy. Snowing a lot. I don't know if you can tell, but here we are. Day 2. Look at the weather out here. It actually cleared up. That's where we're going. This is the mill. Yesterday we were at the main lodge.
Oh, yeah, there's no starting from out, so. Thing is, I can grab it.
Last day we're leaving. We gotta take a picture.